Hi friends, I am Irfan Makas and I welcome you to MIW Inspiration Studio. Friends, if you are interested in learning professional video editing, this video is very important for you because I am going to introduce you to a very professional video editor called VSDC. I will tell you how you can make professional videos for your YouTube channel using VSDC. So keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and select all from notification so that you can watch each and every video of MIW Inspiration Studios. Stay tuned. Welcome back friends. Let's come to the topic of today's video. As I said earlier, this is the introductory video of VSDC. So in this video we will cover the following three topics. Number 1, introduction to VSDC. Number 2, how to download VSDC and install. Number 3, quick tour to VSDC environment. Let's come to the first topic of this video, which is introduction to VSDC. Friends, VSDC free video editor is a non-linear editing application which is developed by Multilab. The program is capable of processing high resolution footage including 4K, UHD, 3D and VR 360-degree videos. VSDC allows for applying post-production effects, live color correction and motion tracking. VSDC runs on Windows operating system and it occupies just 70.3 MB space on your drive. I mean its size is just 70.3 MB. It is licensed from freeware and friends. You will be surprised to know that it is available in 9 languages. Friends, this was the introductory part of this video. I hope you like it and found it informative. If so, then hit the subscribe button of MIW Inspiration Studio. And now, without wasting the time, let's go towards the second part of this video, which is how to download VSDC and install. Friends, for easy understanding, I have recorded the screen so that you can easily know how to download VSDC. Let's watch. Friends, let's go and start downloading our VSDC. For this, open your Google search engine and in the search bar write VSDC free video editor. Search it and here on the very top link is the VSDC free video software official link. So we are going on this link. Just click on this link and here is the official website in front of us. Friends, here is the official website of VSDC. So here is the option for downloading VSDC free video editor. So we are going to download video editor. So click on the video editor link here. Here is the downloading link. There are two options. The first option is for 64-bit versions of PCs and the second option is for 32-bit versions of PC. If you have 64-bit version of your PC, click on this link to download your VSDC free video editor, and if you have 32-bit version of your PC, download the VSDC free video editor from this link. So as I have 64-bit of my system, so I am going to click on this downloading link. So click on this, just click on this. If you click on this, your VSDC free version of video editor is started download. So here, this is an exe file. It will take some time to download. This depend on your internet speed. But friend, as you know, I have already have the downloaded version, so I am going to cancel it. You should not cancel this download. This is an exe file. When it will when it's download completed, just double click on this exe file and your software installation will be started automatically. You just have to follow the instruction and you will easily download it on your PC. So we are going back, just minimize it and wait for download, and I hope you will find no problem in downloading this process. Let download it and install it, and we will meet in the next portion of the video. Back friends, I hope you have easily download and install your VSDC. As the installation is completed, the icon like this will be appeared on your desktop. And now we are going to the third portion of our video, which is a quick tour to VSDC. So we are going to open this application and watch what is in it. So double click on this video editor, VSDC free video editor, and here guys, it's asking us, did you want to upgrade your VSDC version? So no, there is no need to upgrade it, so because it's free, so we are going to close it. And here is the environment of VSDC video editor. There are a lot of options, lots of features, and in future we will use each and every feature of this VSDC video editor and make some professional projects using this powerful app. And friends, this is the end of this video. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel, like my videos. You can also share my videos if you want. Thanks for now.